내 블로그 하나에 안 보여. Ini bubar berani betul, awak tak boleh situ. Sini bubar berani iman, ini
NDC election is being made very, very late. It should be done earlier. Why? Nagar Panchayat, it is happening timely. But ADC election is not going to be held timely. It is being late, very, very late. After 1 year, after 1.5 years, it is getting too much late. But everyone is keeping quiet. Why? Today we would like to ask question to our video. Before he made a commitment that he would run every village council smoothly, but today we have seen many problems in the MMJ Rega war. So today we want answer why problem is going on. As he made a commitment, he will run smoothly every BC, but today there is many problems in every BC. BDO know it very well, those that are the block, BDO know it very well about this problem arising. Many problems in ADC area. So today we are not going to relax any person here. We are coming here not for giving relaxation. We came here for demonstration, for our right demand. Get the positive result. Today we are not going to leave this place. So everyone, we came here for indefinite depositions. No definite time. Until and unless we get the positive result from the video, we are going to do deposition more further.